Are you struggling with that frustrating tingling, a burning sensation, or weakness in your hands and feet? That's nerve pain, and it can make even the simplest daily tasks feel impossible. When your nerves are damaged, the crucial communication system between your brain and your body gets scrambled. This affects everything from how you move to how you feel. While it's essential to work with your doctor for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan, what you consume every day can play a powerful supporting role. The right nutrients can help your body's natural healing processes, calm inflammation, and even encourage nerve regeneration. Today, we're going to explore 9 incredible science-backed drinks that can help soothe nerve pain and build a stronger, more resilient nervous system. Let's get started. First on our list is a classic for a reason, green tea, which I like to call the antioxidant shield. Why is it so good for your nerves? Green tea is absolutely packed with compounds called catechins. These are powerful antioxidants that wage war on inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 of the biggest culprits behind nerve damage. Think of oxidative stress as rust on your nerve cells. Green tea helps clean it off and prevent more from forming. It also improves your blood flow, which means more oxygen and vital nutrients can reach your delicate nerves. By protecting your nerve cells from further harm, drinking green tea daily provides incredible neuroprotective benefits and supports the long-term repair of your nervous system. So, a simple cup of green tea is more than just a warm beverage. It's a daily dose of protection for your nerves. Next up, we have a vibrant and soothing concoction, turmeric golden milk, nature's anti-inflammatory healer. This warm, comforting drink is typically made by combining turmeric with milk dairy or plant-based and a pinch of black pepper. The star of the show here is curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory substances known to science. It works by reducing the swelling around damaged nerves, which directly helps to ease pain and can speed up your body's recovery process. And that pinch of black pepper isn't just for flavor. It contains piperine, a compound that can boost your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. This synergy makes golden milk an incredibly effective and delicious way to fight the inflammation that contributes to nerve pain. Our third drink is a real powerhouse for circulation, beetroot juice, the blood flow booster. The deep red color of beetroot juice hints at its incredible health benefits. Beets are rich in nitrates. When you drink beetroot juice, your body converts these nitrates into a fascinating molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax and widen your blood vessels. This dramatically improves circulation throughout your entire body. Why is this important for nerve pain? Better circulation means a more efficient delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients directly to your damaged nerves, giving them the fuel they need to repair and heal. On top of that, beetroot contains antioxidants called betalains, which provide another layer of protection for your nerve cells and help reduce inflammation. A glass of beetroot juice is a fantastic way to supercharge your body's delivery system for healing. Moving on to a delicious and antioxidant-rich option, the blueberry smoothie. This is your antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberries are famous for their health benefits, and for good reason. They contain a special class of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give blueberries their beautiful deep blue color, and they are incredible for your nervous system. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can protect nerve cells from damage and significantly reduce oxidative stress. They actively support the nerve repair process, improve memory, and contribute to overall brain function. To make your smoothie even more nerve-nourishing, try blending blueberries with a scoop of plain yogurt for probiotics and calcium, or a tablespoon of chia seeds for healthy omega-3 fats and fiber. It's a tasty treat that doubles as powerful medicine for your nerves. For our fifth drink, let's talk about something to help you unwind. Chamomile tea, the calming nerve soother. Nerve pain is often accompanied by stress and anxiety, which can create a vicious cycle that makes the pain feel even worse. Chamomile tea is a gentle, natural way to break that cycle. It contains a compound called apigenin, which has a calming effect on the central nervous system. It helps to relax your mind and body, reducing the anxiety that so often goes hand in hand with chronic pain. But that's not all. Chamomile also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling around irritated nerves. Enjoying a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can also significantly improve your sleep quality, and deep, restorative sleep is absolutely essential for your body to carry out its nerve healing and repair processes. You can think of it as the insulation around an electrical wire. When this sheath gets damaged, nerve signals can misfire, leading to pain, tingling, and weakness. Bone broth is uniquely suited to help rebuild it. It's rich in collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline, which are the fundamental building blocks your body needs to repair and maintain a healthy myelin sheath. It's also packed with essential minerals like magnesium and calcium that support proper nerve transmission. Our seventh healing beverage is ginger tea, known for its anti-inflammatory and circulation-supporting properties. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, and its benefits for nerve health are impressive. It contains active compounds called gingerols and shigols. They also act as antioxidants, protecting your nerves from further oxidative damage. Similar to beetroot juice, ginger is also a fantastic circulation booster. It helps get your blood flowing more freely, ensuring that nutrients can reach damaged nerve tissues more efficiently. Plus, there's a wonderful, warming sensation you get from drinking ginger tea that can be incredibly soothing and comforting when you're dealing with discomfort. Next on our list is a treat that's both decadent and beneficial: dark chocolate cocoa. And yes, you heard that right. But we're not talking about your average sugary hot chocolate mix. We mean pure, high-quality dark cocoa, ideally with a cacao content of 70% or higher. This type of cocoa is loaded with flavonoids, which are potent antioxidants. These flavonoids are fantastic for your nervous system. They work to reduce nerve inflammation, protect nerve cells from damage, and actively promote their repair. Dark cocoa is also known to improve blood flow to both the brain and the peripheral nervous system. So, a warm, rich cup of dark cocoa isn't just a delicious indulgence. It's a deeply nourishing drink that supports your body's nerve healing efforts. Finally, our 9th drink is aloe vera juice, the vitamin-rich nerve healer. Many people know aloe vera for soothing sunburns, but its internal benefits are just as remarkable, especially for nerve health. Pure aloe vera juice is a treasure trove of vitamins, but it's particularly rich in B-complex vitamins. This includes vitamin B12, which is absolutely critical for nerve function, repair, and the production of that protective myelin sheath we talked about earlier. Aloe vera also has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm irritated nerves and ease symptoms like tingling. It directly supports the regeneration of damaged nerve fibers. When choosing aloe vera juice, make sure to look for an unsweetened, purified version to get the maximum benefits without any added sugars. So, let us quickly recap how these 9 amazing drinks can help you on your journey to better nerve health. They work in several key ways: by reducing inflammation, which is a primary source of pain; by improving circulation to deliver healing nutrients where they're needed most; by providing the essential building blocks for nerve repair, like amino acids and collagen; by supporting the regeneration of the protective myelin sheath; and by shielding your nerves from damaging oxidative stress. Incorporating just a few of these healing beverages into your daily routine can make a significant difference over time. Remember, consistency is key. These natural approaches work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle and the guidance of your healthcare provider. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments which of these drinks you're excited to try first. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.